Hello lovelies, on today's menu we are having Nkwobi, also known as spicy cow foot or skin. So I'll be using cow skin for this recipe. So yeah, I have my cow skin cooked soft, and I will just spice it with my seasoning cube for it to have taste. Yes, then after it's well cooked, then you sieve it out. So these are this cow skin. Then I went in with my Ehuru. So I grounded my Ehuru because I'll be using the manual method. Then I also quickly went to dissolve my ungu. So I'll be using ungu for the sauce. So you can see this ugu is so sandy and dirty. So for you to get rid of this dirt, you have to sieve properly. You have to sieve out. Get your sieve, then you sieve out thoroughly, and make sure you sieve out about 2 to 3 times so that you can get rid of the sands and dirt. So you can see this is my first sieve, and you can see the whole lot of sand. Like, can you see what is inside? And all this dirt is coming from maybe the process for them getting the ungo. So I sieved up to 4 times, like 4 good times for me to get the clear surface. So you just keep sieving. If you are using ungo method, yes, you can also use potage. Yeah, people use potage, but I prefer using ungo for making my own. So now let's dive in on the ingredients. So these are all the ingredients that you need for you to make this delicious spicy cow feet or skin. So here I have my Utazi. You can also use uziza leaf, but here is Utazi leaf. Then I have my cow skin, yes, and I also have my ungu, and I also have my Ugba, also known as opaka. I also have my Ehuru, grounded Ehuru, and I also have my Ogili, which is also optional, but I use this because it will take the Nkwobi to another level. So that is my Ogili, sorry. And I also have my onion, and I also have my Scotch bonnet pepper. Yes. So guys, this food is a special native delicacy if you love cow skin or cow leg. So let's jump in on the process. So here I have my red oil. I add in a little bit of red oil, and I go in with my ungu. Then I stir and I mix very well so that I can have this hot look. Then after that, I added my Ehuru. So and also add my Ogili, and I also give it a mix. Then you have to mix it very well so that all of them can marry with each other. You mix very well. So guys, this food is commonly consumed by the eastern part of Nigeria, and if you love cow skin or cow leg, try this recipe. I'll also be dropping the ingredients that I use in making this delicacy in the comment section. And if it's your first time coming across this channel, please kindly subscribe, click on the like button, and also your notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post a video. So I added in my Ugba, so then I also mix. This food is so delicious. Yeah, so try this recipe when you have your cow skin or your cow foot. Then you mix together. You mix together, and this is what it looks like right now. So I kept mixing, and I added in my salt to taste. Then you add your salt, your crayfish, and you mix very well. Then it's time to add in our cow skin. So I added in our cow skin. Then we have to mix very well so that the spice or the sauce we mix together with the cow skin so that the taste will be attached to the cow skin. So you keep mixing. Guys, are you seeing the outcome? Hey God. So this is just the outcome. So you just keep mixing, keep stirring, and this is it guys. So this is what Nkwobi looks like. Whether you're using cow skin or cow foot, this is what it's going to look like. So let's dish out, and this is what it looks like. So this is your Nkwobi, like Nkwobi. Hey, so guys, try this recipe and come and thank me later. So this is what it looks like. So I'll be adding in my Utazi leaf for garnishing and for it to give it another taste. Then I'll be garnishing it with my onion to taste and to spicy up the things, you know. So this is my onion and my Nkwobi is ready. You can enjoy this meal with your fresh palm wine, with your beer, with your water, anything that is good to go. So you can enjoy your meal. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.